Hello everybody, this is my 6 Series large triple bay from Matco. Black with red trim on it. It's got a half hutch on the top. It's 31 inches deep. Probably didn't need a box this big, but I wanted it. Try and keep it all nice and neat. Knowing any tool is missing. All the tools in this box, with the exception of a few, are Matco or sold by Matco. Got this set of line wrenches here. They're snap-on. That's about the only thing in this box that's snap-on. They're a good tool, I just don't like them. That's all Matco screwdrivers, picks, hooks, pointer. One of my favorite tools in the whole toolbox right here. Work on a BMW, just about anything you have to do, you got to pull the fan off. It's crazy. Got one of the diagnostic drawers, meter leads, screwdrivers for interior work, test lights, Fluke 88. It's a must-have for this type of work. Noid lights, radio removal tools, jumpers for testing relays. If you ever worked on a Ford truck, change spark plugs, you're going to know what that is. Matco air hammer. Sorted clutch tools. Of course, the Dremel's not Matco. Every coolant testing adapter you could ever need. Got the master fuel and pressure tester. The plier drawer. These are a must. Especially work on BMWs, Mercedes, Volkswagens. Got my T-handle Allens, long ball head Allens, regular Allens. T-handle torques, triple squares and torques. Junk drawer. Fuses, tape, things like that. This ratchet is a must. 3/8 drive, they call it the Bulldog. It is a must. That's the air tool, Some of them. That's pretty much it for now in this box. Got a few little things. Spark plug removing tools, magnetic, swivel. Of course, everyone's got to have the mirrors and the magnets. Hammers. Stuff like that. That's it, man. That's that Matco large triple bay bottom with a half hutch on top. About $23,000. Kind of crazy. 8-inch casters. Like I said, probably didn't need a box this big, but definitely like it. We went from that box to, or we went from this box, this is the old one, this is a 5 Series 50/50 box, top and bottom. I liked it. One of the things I liked about it that the 6 Series doesn't have, or they don't put in these boxes no more, is this little divider. I only like it because they got magnetic things you put on there and put your sockets on and so forth. But that's the old box. Been kicked to the wayside. Well, that's it for now, fellas. Thank y'all very much.